In a major breakthrough, joint security forces comprising Manipur Police, Assam Rifles, Army and Central Armed Police Forces CAPFs recovered significant cache of arms, ammunition and explosives during a coordinated operation across the hill districts of Manipur. The operation, launched on the basis of specific intelligence inputs, was carried out from the midnight of July 3rd to the morning of July 4th, targeting suspected hideouts in Tengnopal, Kangpopi, Chandel and Chochampu districts. The simultaneous raids in multiple interior locations led to the seizure of 203 weapons, various explosives and warlike materials. The recovered weapons include 21 inches rifles, 26 self-loading rifles SLRs, 11 AK series rifles, 2 sniper rifles, 3 carbines, 17.303 rifles, 2 51mm mortars, 2 MA assault rifles, 3 M79 grenade launchers, 18 single shot breech loaders, 11 bolt action rifles, 6 pistols, 3 country-made pistols, 1.22 rifle, 3 leather grenades, 4 muzzle-loaded rifles, 31 single-bore guns and 38 pompey guns. The ammunition and explosives recovered include 29 rounds of 5.56 mm, 8 rounds of 7.62 mm, 30 improvised explosive devices IEDs, 10 hand grenades, 9 pompey shells, 2 leather grenades. Meanwhile, a statement from the Office of the Director General of Police DGP Manipur described the operation as significant achievement in the ongoing efforts to restore peace and public safety in the state. The statement added that these intelligence-based coordinated operations in the hill districts represent a major step in ensuring safety and security of citizens and maintaining public order. Moreover, the DGP's office urged public to extend full cooperation to police and security forces by reporting any suspicious activity or information related to illegal arms.